what is in the kit? You are going to get the Moody Blues Creative Cuts, one of our fine tip glue pens, the Moody Blues Vellum Creative Cuts, the Lazy Cuts, the Radiant Stencil, some of our bubble beads, the Enchanting embossing folder, the magazine, which is full of all of the card making and scrapbooking ideas and instructions. They have got the Moody Blues cut apart sheet, which we use with this is the bookmark die number 7, die number 6, watercolor cut apart sheet, a sheet of our watercolor cardstock, a sheet of our royal cardstock, and of course the 12 by 12 collection pack. So that is what you're going to get in the kit if you are waiting for the 5th to purchase your kit. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.